In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an ElevenLabs API key and ensure everything's working just as it should be. If you're starting fresh with ElevenLabs, I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you have the tools you need for success. Just a quick note to begin with. If you're planning to sign up for ElevenLabs, please use our affiliate link. It's a great way to show your support for our channel and keep us going with more tutorials like this one. Now, once you're logged in to your ElevenLabs account and you're on the dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the lower left corner. There, you'll find a section labeled Developers. Give that a click. This is where all the magic happens for developers who want to harness the power of ElevenLabs API functionalities. After clicking into the Developers area, you'll need to look for the tab that says API Keys. This is your gateway to managing existing keys or creating new ones. Here that you might discover a list of your previously created API keys, if you have any. But if this is your first venture, you won't see anything there just yet, and that's perfectly fine. So, let's go ahead and create a new key. You'll find a button labeled Create Key. Clicking this will begin the process of generating a new API key just for you. The first thing you'll be prompted to do is to name your new API key. API's key. Choose a name that clearly identifies what you'll be using it for. This will be a lifesaver if you end up managing multiple keys in the future. After naming your key, you have the option to apply a credit limit to it. This is an important step as it can help manage your usage and costs. By setting a credit limit, you're safeguarding yourself from unexpected charges. So give some thought to how much you expect to use. Following that, you'll be selecting the features you'd like your API key to have access to. This step is about customizing your API key's permissions according to your needs. It's important to carefully decide which features are essential to your application and enable only those. This not only optimizes performance, but also enhances security. Once you've set the permissions and features, you're ready to finalize your API key. Simply click Create Key once you're satisfied with your settings. And there it is. Your brand new API key will be generated in an instant. You'll be able to copy it to your clipboard and use it in your applications or wherever you need. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully generated an API key with ElevenLabs. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities in terms of integrating ElevenLabs capabilities with your projects. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.